Oh my mama, I swear to God, on my dead aunt, I swear to God, on my dead aunt, I'm not doing this. On my dead aunt. On my dead aunt. On my dead aunt. We alright. Chill out. Chess, should we call the police? Should we call the police? Our real shit. Should we call the police? Like dead ass. Like real shit. Chess, should we call the police? Like dead ass. Like no troll shit. Like I'll call them right now. Would you stop doing shit, Ben? Come on, please answer, police, bro. Please answer. Please answer. Police.
Please leave your message.
What the fuck? Why the police not answering? Police, please answer. Oh my gosh!
Please leave your message.
Bro, oh my fucking... Alright, bro. Fuck it, bro. It's something happened to me, bro. Something happened to me, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. Who cares, bro? It's big speed over here, bro. I don't even care no more, bro. Nice to see you again. What you gonna do about it, bro? I'm a grown-ass man. What you gonna do, dog? Fuck you gonna do? Fuck you gonna do, bro? Do you know my slogan? I don't know your slogan, hacker. Come on, Mr. Hacker. Come on, bro. Come on. Now what? You shouldn't have done that. I don't give a fuck, bro. I don't care, bro. I'm a grown-ass man, bro. You talking to a grown-ass man right here. I have to think that you do not take me seriously. I'm not taking you seriously. You can't do shit to me personally. I'm a grown-ass man. What you gonna do, bro? Undeceives yourself, user. What the fuck? What are you talking about? The last time you saw me normal, it was on this game. More just mask. Okay. Today, my slogan will be very useful for you. Chat, we are so scared, chat. Now let's play together. Let's play, hacker. Come on, hacker. Show me something, hacker. I ain't get scared. Do something. Exactly. Look, exactly. The hacker can't do shit. Let the show begin. Do you know my world? I'm still not scared, bro. I'm not scared, chat. Like this. Have you seen a chess? No, what are you talking about? Do you know what's inside your mom? Do you want to know? Yo, bro. This hacker right here, bro. Light chat. Yo, bro, he can suck my nuts, bro. Seriously, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. This whack-ass hacker. Open a chest. Shay, y'all ready to open a chest? Come on. Bro. Where's the chest? Nigger! Understand what? What did I do? Think I am. What contains the chest? No, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I might back out. I might back out of this, bro. You don't know? I don't know. What is he talking about? I don't know. I might back out, bro. I think, bro, this hacker getting too serious, bro. This hacker ass. Hey! 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 Oh, the end. Aha. We made it out alive. Period. What am I doing? He's still going. Die, kill me right now. Kill me. Bro, this hacker ass, bro. Like, chill, let's be honest, bro. This shit is not scary, bro. Like, this hacker is just fucking my computer, bro. He's not doing nothing. Who was that? Ugly ass. God, you're ugly as shit. What's funny? Yo, fake. But this hacker ass, bro. Hey, bro, ain't nothing even happened, dog. Nothing happened. Nothing happened! Call the police? Alright, I'm about to call the police, bro. I'm about to call the police, bro. I'm about to call the police, chat. This whack ass game. Whack ass game, bro. This shit not even scary, bro.